Alright, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what we're doing today. So we're taking the actual strip down the front caliper out, including the actual caliper bracket. Taking it out, and we're going, the reason why we take it out because we have to clean everything out properly, clean it properly, and put some lubrication inside here. In there, it's for the actual, the wheel, for the brakes to slide on, make it better. We're going to clean this as well. And let's have a look inside here. Can you grab the brake caliper? See the brake caliper? This was full of dirt and dust, and we cleaned it all as well. And then before we push the piston back, we had to actually lift the boot up and lubricate the boot, because otherwise it would be too dry here and it will damage the boot in the long run. Alright, so it's nice and clean, and we're going to clean this as well. The bearing, we're going to check the bearing. Wheel bearing looks good. Lubricate this one here, and then we're going to put the new brake pads, new front disc, and then we're going to torque the wheels up. Sorry, torque the brake caliper up, torque up the actual bolts for here as well, and at the same time lubricate the slide as well. Pull the slide up. This is very dry, so we're taking the boot off. So you can see now we put that stuff in there to make it like so it doesn't get dried up, so the actual brakes, the slide can move back and forth freely when it gets hot. Alright, now it's better. Before it was all dry, so I think this is the first time ever that we actually, somebody has cleaned the brake caliper properly and the slide and lubricate the slides properly. Alright, we're going to torque it up to the actual specification from Ford. Make sure that the bolt is tight properly, tighten up properly, not just too tight, because sometimes you can break things. And then we'll go from there. We're going to repeat the same process here to the other side, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.